Hello everybody and welcome to my first vlog. If you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Radhika and in today's video I'm going to share my after effects of the vaccine. I got myself my first dose of vaccination on the 22nd of May. My slot was between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. So me and my sister, we both got vaccinated, and both of our vaccination centers were different, though the time frame was the same, the time slot was the same, but our centers were different. So first I got myself vaccinated and then my sister got vaccinated. So right now it is around 2:15. It's been over an hour, and as of now, except for two things, I am not experiencing anything very vast or anything very harsh on my body. The first thing is the arm pain, which is very normal, and the second thing is कि मुझे भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है, मतलब it's very much. So those are the only two things that as of now I'm experiencing after I got myself vaccinated. I did not vlog while I was getting vaccinated, or my entire journey of कैसे हुआ, how I got the slot and everything, because it was not too much of a thing. उसमें ज़्यादा information की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because people know, and once you reach the vaccination center you will actually come to know about things, that people will be there to guide you कि कैसे क्या क्या करना है and everything. So all you need to do is just carry your ID, just in case if they ask you. Just carry the ID with which you registered yourself on the Cowin or the Arogya Setu app, through which you got your appointment slot, and just go nicely hydrated and with full stomach. Don't go with empty stomach. They actually ask you there whether have you eaten anything or not, because if you are empty stomach they will not vaccinate you. First they will then tell you to get eat something and then get vaccinated, because there can be then harsh after effects of those of the vaccine. So which is why they tell you, always they will tell you that you have to eat and then you have to get yourself vaccinated. So that is why I did not record at that point of time, because उस time पे ऐसा कुछ था नहीं record करने लायक. There was not too much. Actually I went before 1 o'clock at the center at which I got my appointment for getting vaccinated. That was not very crowdy. It was not crowded at all. मतलब मैं जब गई थी उस time पे hardly एक इंसान था मेरे से पहले. So it was not crowded at all. My sister's was a little crowded. We had different centers. My sister's was a little crowded, but mine was not crowded at all. I went there, got vaccinated. She told me to sit there for almost 5 to 10 minutes, and then I was all good to go back. So yeah, that's all that happened in the center. Now after I have come back, there are only two things that I'm experiencing. Too much of hunger, भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है, और दूसरा the arm pain, which is very normal as of now. Other than that, there is no side effects, but I will keep you guys updated.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hi you guys, so it's been 11 hours since I got myself vaccinated, because right now it's 12 a.m. and I got myself vaccinated in the afternoon at around 1 p.m. So I did not vlog the entire day because I wanted to see whether मेरे अंदर क्या क्या symptoms किस time पे, and I was noting down the time and everything, and I was seeing कि किस time पे क्या चीज़ होती है मेरे साथ. So everything went good. Only the arm ache had increased, and till 6-7 o'clock the arm was very painful. Just by the way, like, it was that painful that I was not even able to move my hand properly. Each angle my hand moved in, my arm would start paining. So that was the only difference. Then around 9:30 around, I started to feel a little feverish, not too much but a little feverish. So I had my dinner, and then I just took a paracetamol, just in case if the temperature would have taken a rise. Only to avoid that, I took a paracetamol. But I am not recommending you guys to do something of that kind. Consult your doctor and see what he or she, whoever your doctor is, says you to do. I am not telling you कि डॉक्टर के बिना कंसल्टेशन के कोई भी मेडिसिन लो. No, I just took it because I know what is going to work for my body, and what are the after effects of a particular medicine is going to show on my body. So I took that medicine around 10:30 ish around, and तब से लेकर अब तक my arm ache has also gone down. One reason because of the tablet. Second reason also, I rubbed eyes. My arm is not aching that much जितना पहले कर रही थी. Now There is pain, it's not like it's not there, but it's not as much as it was in the evening. So I'm hoping ki since I've already had paracetamol, my night will actually go smoothly. So I will see you guys in the morning. Bye.
The next morning.
Good morning, you guys. Right now it's 8:50 in the morning, and last night when I checked in with you guys at 12 a.m., I was feeling completely alright. But at around 3:30, I did start feeling like I'm getting a bit of fever, because I did start feeling like my face had started to become a little red, like the blood started flushing in my on my face, which is why I felt like it is a bit, but I could not see, I mean, I could not check whether I have temperature in my body or not, because I did not have a thermometer nearby to me. But I felt like there was fever, and that lasted for almost an hour and a half around. It did not give me any uneasy feeling, but yeah, I mean, when you get fever, you do tend to get a little uneasy. So उस टाइम के लिए मेरी थोड़ी सी नींद ख़राब हुई थी. That was the only case that happened with me. And at present, right now, I am not feeling anything like, no, I'm not feeling feverish or something. Only my head is paining and a bit nauseating, and the sore arm. But other than that, I am not feeling anything else. थोड़ा सा nauseating है, मतलब थोड़ा सा nauseation है, थोड़ा सा nausea है. So if I take my breakfast and if I take a tablet and sleep for a while, I'm sure that that's going to go away. And honestly speaking, guys, there's nothing to worry about, because if you're feeling all these things, that means the vaccine is actually working in your body, and every body has different ways of showing how the vaccine is going to work in your body and create those antibodies against the virus. So and that is one of the things. So you don't need to get worried, because even if after your first dose you start feeling कि यार बहुत ज़्यादा fever हो गया है and stuff, and we are not going to go and take the second dose because we were very sick after taking the first dose, honestly there is no point of doing that, because अगर ऐसा करते हो तो first dose लगाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, then वो पूरा you'll come back to zero. So there is no point in just having the first dose and then skipping the second dose just because you fell sick after the first dose, because there is a possibility, and almost 90% possibility, that after the second dose you're not going to fall as sick as you fell after the first dose, because your body already has antibodies against the virus. So don't get scared. If you feel something of this sort, contact your family doctor, talk to him or her and ask him or her कि क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. They will be the best person to suggest you instead of me suggesting you. I'm just sharing my experience for you guys to know कि हर body अलग अलग तरीके से react करेगी. I know people who after their first dose nothing happened to them, and I know people मतलब जिनका first dose लगाने के बाद they had extreme reactions. So I have seen both the cases. I was not as extreme, as I have seen my cousin having extreme reactions. So you don't need to get scared, because everybody, like I said earlier, everybody reacts to the vaccine differently. So get yourself vaccinated, and I will see you guys later.
One eternity later.
Hi you guys, it's the third day after my vaccination. Today is the 24th of May. I got vaccinated on the 22nd of May, so it's the third day today. Yesterday, the entire day except for morning, I did not vlog because I was not feeling well. Nausea was there the entire day, and fever was there only in the morning. It was there around 11:30, 12ish. My temperature started to rise, and then I took a paracetamol, and after that the temperature did go down, and then after that the entire day there was no fever. But other than that, nausea was there the entire day. After my lunch, the nausea did go down a little bit, but it was there, and then after dinner it did go down a little bit more. Today in the morning there was very slight nausea, which I can feel even right now. It's 11:30 in the morning right now, and I can feel a little bit nauseating even right now. So other than that, there is not anything very major that happened with me. So which is why I'm going to just end my vlog here. Yes, my arm is definitely sore even now. There is pain, there is actually a lot of pain, but other than that, there is nothing major as of now. I'm feeling much better now. Yes, very slight nausea, but not something that would make me feel very uneasy. Yes, slight uneasiness is there, but not very much. So, with some key points, I'm just going to end my vlog here, and I'm just going to advise you guys to get vaccinated no matter what. Don't get scared of the fact that you might catch fever or something, because it's just the antibodies that's building up in your body. Also, I am not a professional doctor or a medical professional in any way. I am not going to consult you कि ये हो जाए तो ये मेडिसिन ले लेना या वो हो जाए तो वो मेडिसिन ले लेना. No, I am not going to do that to you. I would rather suggest you कि अगर ज़्यादा ही होने लगता है, because what we did was that we waited for 2 days. अगर 2 दिन के बाद भी हमारा फीवर नहीं कम हुआ होता, then we would have gotten ourselves consulted with a doctor. But other than that, honestly, there is nothing else to be worried about, because fever and any kind of after effects only means that your body is adjusting with the vaccine and it's building antibodies in your body against the virus. Also, if you really have to go and consult a doctor, either consult your family doctor or a person who's living nearby your house, making sure that the person is either taking only limited patients or taking patients on appointment basis, so that you guys don't come in contact with anyone who could be a carrier of the virus. Because even after you have gotten yourself vaccinated, it's not like you will not catch the coronavirus at all. It's just that the effect of the virus will be way less than what it would have been if you did not get yourself vaccinated. And even if you have adverse effects after your first dose, even then get your second dose, because if you don't get your second dose, your first dose is actually, it will actually come down to 0. So get yourself vaccinated. Please stay home, guys. Please stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any questions, any queries, or anything of any sort, you can either leave it in the comment section down below, or else you can DM me on my Instagram, and I would love to answer them for you guys if I know about it. There are a few videos that I came across that were informative about vaccination. I will leave the link of them in the description below as well, so that you guys can go and just check it out. And if you guys have any doubt regarding anything, you can go ahead and watch those videos. And I'm just going to end my vlog here. So bye guys, stay home, stay safe.